How can artificial intelligence, tools like ChatGPT, streamline your content in 2025? In this video, I'll show how to leverage AI for content strategy and content creation. If you're not taking advantage of AI in 2025, maybe you're falling behind. On the whiteboard here are just some of the things involved in content creation. And one of the tools I'm going to show you in this video uses a similar principle to this, the whiteboard idea. You know, while AI tools will help you to make content and to come up with ideas and to script and to do thumbnails and to do so many things involved in content creation, one thing it cannot take away is that inspiration that only comes from the spirit of a man, that thing where human connects with a human. While you use these AI tools to help improve and to make content that will go viral and connect with many people, remember to include your humanity, who you are. There's something that makes each of us unique, and we have to remember that it's people that want to connect with people. I want to connect with you, and hopefully you want to connect with me by the end of this video. So let's get into this. First, today we're looking at a groundbreaking tool that promises to transform your content creation journey, Poppy AI, and it uses a whiteboard principle to be able to bring in different sources of information into an LLM and help you to get contextual answers that are relevant to exactly what you're looking for. Could this be the key to unlocking a more impactful content strategy? Some YouTubers are claiming that this is game-changing. Come and join me as I show you briefly around this tool and what it could potentially do for you. We're going to go to Poppy AI, make sure to log in, and here we are inside the boards. I'm going to go back out to this main page here, and this is where I have created a board called Next YT Video for pure content production. And what you can see is you've got all these different connections and options down the side here. So the main thing about this is the chat interface here in the middle. So I'll zoom in on that. And this is basically just your normal LLM chat assistants. So you've got the choice of ChatGPT 4.0 or Claude Sonnet 3.5 and also GPT 4.0 Mini. But the difference here is that you can connect different sources of information, context for that conversation. So one of the things I did here by hitting record was I did a recording. You just press that button there and you record, and then so the way I understand it is Poppy AI is a whiteboard where you can connect different pieces of content, YouTube videos, pictures, notebooks, documents, etc. and you can connect them to an AI assistant. Okay, so I've got this as an input here. Then I've also got this Alex Hormozy closer framework to help with the scripting to it. So you've got things where you can bring in a picture. So I clicked in here and I brought in an image and dragged it down to connect it to the AI assistant. And then I've brought in a few videos. So I did that via clicking on the enter a URL here. And then it takes a few moments while it loads the video and looks at the transcript for the video. So I've got 3 videos in here, which are helping me with today's tool. I've got this video here, AI content strategy, which I want to help me to position this video correctly on YouTube. I've got my last video, which has done very well on YouTube. And I've got another video talking about Poppy AI here as well. And then I've put in a couple of PDFs here, one PDF here, which you can click and add documents down here. And that PDF is the foundations of YouTube success. And I've also got Mastering Video Ranking by the VRA Academy, which has some pictures here of how to reverse engineer. So you've got reverse engineer, research, record, release, rocket, review, repeat. So I've put all these into this AI assistant, and then I'm able to ask it questions in context. I asked it, based on the closer framework by Alex, help me craft an amazing opening hook for a video based on all the VRA YouTube success principles, and also look at the Poppy AI video. So imagine a tool that transforms your content creation process by seamlessly integrating videos, documents, and images, all while leveraging the power of advanced AI models like ChatGPT. Welcome to Poppy AI, where your creative potential meets cutting-edge technology. In this video, we'll explore how the Poppy AI can revolutionize the way you create, connect, and collaborate, making your content strategy more dynamic and impactful than ever before. Stay tuned to discover the secrets of maximizing your content's reach and engagement using the principles of a YouTube success. So would I recommend it? I've just tried it out today, and it seems pretty cool that you can bring in all these different sources and get contextual answers, but it's something I'd have to try over a long period to decide if it's something that is really useful. So here's Poppy AI pricing, which is actually $99 a month or $324 a year. So if you were to buy a yearly subscription, you get it for $27 a month, but the normal price of a monthly subscription is $99 a month. So it's a quarter of the price if you buy a yearly subscription. If you would like to check it out for yourself, make sure to check out the link in the description below. The second tool I want to share with you is Target AI. And what's good about Target AI is it can connect with your channel into the metrics, look at the kind of performance you're getting with the videos you currently have on your channel, and look at the type of audience that are watching your channel, looking at the back end, looking at the type of people, their age range, the demographics, etc. And then help you to look at content that is performing well in your niche. So as we dive into Target AI, realize that this is a tool that could really help you to pinpoint videos that are having a standout performance. For instance, it brings up videos that show what is performing very well in your niche, like multiplications of how will videos normally perform on similar channels. So you'll get a video, say on a channel that has 2,000 subscribers and normally gets, say, 300-400 views per video, suddenly with a video that's getting like 30,000 views per video. So that gives us the ability to have that competitive edge and stand out on YouTube by taking a video like that and making our own version of that video, because we know viewers are already interested in that type of video and topic. So here we are on Target AI website. The first thing you need to do is log in. So I'm logged into the website here now, and you can see the channels that I have connected to the website, which is Barnabas Lawson and Pure Content Production. I can click into this analyze section here, and what it will do is give me an overview of my channel, determine the optimal length, video length for my videos, analyze the difference between my best and worst videos. So it reckons I should aim for 6 to 8 minutes for most videos, as this duration balances depth and engagement based on your target audience's preferences and your top performing content. Use shorter videos, 4 to 5 minutes for quick updates and tips on longer ones, and 10 to 12 minutes sparingly for detailed walkthroughs to maximize retention. Hook viewers in the first 15 seconds, structure content with clear sections, use dynamic visuals, and end with a strong call to action. Then it gives an analysis of my YouTube channel. The target audience for Pure Content Production consists primarily of tech-savvy males aged 18 to 34. I'm not sure if that's actually true. When I look at the back end, I see a lot of more older people who are eager to learn and experiment with the latest AI video creation tools. They're likely aspiring content creators or professionals looking to enhance their video production skills and stay ahead of the curve in digital media. Let me know if that's true of you. Are you in this 18 to 34 tech-savvy male category? And then it says description, instructions, which basic kind of instructions, associated keywords with my channel and associated topics. And then it gives my highest performing content, which is actually not up to date because the best performing video is actually not showing here right now. So different tools that they have here are things such as Next Video Generator. This is one of the things that's very interesting to do. So come into Next Video Generator, and in here you can look at ideas for your channel. So I can click into Pure Content Production and I can put in an idea. What are the high volume and low competition keywords in your niche? And it will find videos that are the highest outstanding performances, like I mentioned before. So you've got a channel here with 417x performing video. So the average views on their videos are 829, but this video has 16,309, and it tells you the subscribers for that. You can click on that and see the video. The video is called Revolutionizing Content Creation, how I use Perplexity.ai and ChatGPT for a killer blog post. So this is Outlier videos to help you come up with ideas. And this is actually the Outlier video that I use to help me with this video that I'm doing right now. So you can see they normally get 3,988 average views on a video on this GoDaddy website, but this video has 38,399, giving it a 229 Outlier score. I have 203,000 subs, so I've used this one to help me with positioning this video. So they help you create shorts. So you go to like some of your recent videos down here, and I can see that if I select a channel, this one here, Pure Content Production channel, they've created shorts for this video here and helped optimize it as well. So I can click on the repurposed content over here, and they've created shorts based on that video, which I can then post to help get more views on the video that I've already posted on the longer form video. It will also create you posts for all of the other social media accounts. For instance, here is a LinkedIn post. It's created based on one of my videos on Barnabas Lawson channel. So you can see that Target AI is a very interesting platform, and if you'd like to check it out, I've got a link to that in the description below. So these two tools that I've shown you today, they really help from idea to research, to scripting, to thumbnail, to title and to every stage of the process, all the way to creating the video and getting out to as many viewers as possible and increasing those subscriber numbers up to the sky. So if you've enjoyed this video today and you'd like to look at the tools that I've shown you in this video, I have affiliate links in the pinned comment below and in the description. For the best tools for AI video content creation, check out this video here. And let me know in the comments, what was your favorite tool or feature in the videos I showed you today? And all the best with your content creation journey in 2025.